data visualization is a graphical representation of what's going on in your business, allowing us to uncover insights that are there and patterns and trends to actually make decisions upon. So the point is that they're not always obvious when you're looking at a table of information. You have to work for them and so on. So data visualization is actually making that work happen for you, putting it in front of you and allowing you to make decisions. You still have to make the decisions, although AI may be coming towards suggestions around that space. So it's a very visual concept. So it's a mix of graphs and graphics, etc. It could even be photos, if that made sense, like delivery of goods and so on. And the idea is to get very complex information across in a very accessible way. I hope that makes some sense, Marie, because it's certainly where I'm heading. So I didn't want to today put up an example and run you through a demo or anything like that, because that's not what I'm about, what I'm doing. But I did want to show you some examples of various dashboards. And look, we're all going to have different ones that we like better than others. So the top two are ERP systems, two different ones that have these things built in. Now, I really want to impress this upon you. Personally, that's where I believe a lot of the heavy lifting should happen, in the operational solutions that are actually getting the masses of data and allowing you to do things. It's not about visualizing how I went last month, although that's certainly one of the benefits. It really is about visualizing and seeing the business on the fly and being able to take appropriate actions and steps. The one thing I would suggest as a watch out for, sexy is not best. And I think there's a confusion in my experience around software companies that having an experience for a user is all about the sexy side of things. There's an element to that. There's no doubt. But actually what we find is users that use systems over a number of months tend to want, yes, it looks nice, but it actually has to be useful. I don't need to think about how do I work with it and so on.